So here we have Hy doing TIG welding, and he's going to apply a bead of filler wire to a steel weld. And there we go. Stop. So that's pretty good. That's not bad at all. The video will help show you what you were doing, because obviously I couldn't see.
Yeah. Well, first of all, once again, I can see that I have a tendency to tip the tip or the
electrode.
The electrode, rather. My hand gets fatigued a bit.
That's right, and that's practice.
Just keeping it, but I can see developing the speed is really tricky.
Yes.
You know? And when you dip the rod into the puddle, should you just get it at the edge or try and get it right into the puddle?
In the middle of the puddle,
in the
if
middle
you can.
Of the puddle.
Yeah,
and
or just on the edge.
Okay.
Well, how often you know is give yourself like a one end timing. It's like you're stacking a set of dimes, so it's one and two and three and. So get that rhythm going, and then you've got
it.
Yeah.
Got it. Okay, very good. Did we get all that?
Yep.